How to change payment method in Netflix. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change payment method in Netflix. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for netflix.com, as this process cannot be done through the Netflix application itself and it requires a web browser. Now, tap on the sign in button and sign yourself in to Netflix. Once signed in, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further tap on the account option you see there. Now, under the Quick Links tab, tap on the Manage Payment Method option. You will be prompted to enter your new payment details. You can add a credit card, debit card, or other payment options available in your region. Once you have entered the new information, make sure to save your changes that you just made. You should see a confirmation that your payment method has been updated, and if you encounter any issues, check Netflix Help Center for assistance. So, this is how you can change payment method in Netflix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.